What is this?
Yeah, let me give it a try at the very least. I don't know. And then things will change over time. Whatever I say will be outdated tomorrow.
Right.
So I let me put it this way. I think probably right now to make it work well at a cost point that is feasible. Probably I'm not super sure if that's the right word, but I would say that is feasible. One needs to have probably that kind of competence. On the other hand, I believe and hope it's not going to be the case in the future, right? I'm convinced that maybe partially because of what we are doing, or maybe someone else is doing, that gap in knowledge filled by maybe by tools, maybe by engines. One way that we used to talk about our technologies, AI engine, as like in analogy with a physics engine for video games, right?
Mm.
That's kind of analogy that we're going for there. And so, well, maybe again, analogy with physics, if you wanted to do a flight simulator in the early 90s, you would have to put your hands in the dirt of writing your own physics engine that maybe was not general purpose, worked only for simulating planes and whatever else. But at that moment in time, you had to. There was no other way. You had to, I don't know, hire someone with a physics degree. Probably not. I'm just making it up
Sure.
as I go, but to make an example, right? Definitely today, if you want to do that, you don't need that, right? There's a physics engine, and maybe with some basic understanding of physics, you can get away with building the vast majority of games that need physics today. So probably there will be a process that is similar to that in terms of how the technology will evolve and support and making it easier for people who don't have a lot of detailed knowledge of that to actually do that fruitfully, right? And this is for whatever more about using this technology, this AI technology within the games. For the game development process itself, I think that's probably even going to happen faster, um, because I think the last couple of years people have built a lot of cool demos, but these cool demos eventually, at least the better ones and the more successful ones, will become products, and these products are going to be used for up the process of development for sure.